Great day, great property. Welcome to another PO Vince tour. As you enter, you are welcomed by this very modern, minimalist na kitchen. And as you can see, kasama na yung granite countertop and also yung cooktop, range hood, and this cabinets, no? Overhead and under counter cabinets. And take note, these are all soft closing. Also, kasama na yung sink faucet by Frankie. So, it's an international brand, a European brand. You will be given yung mga high quality or premium finishes already when it's already turned over. The units will come as semi-furnished. So, again, these are all included. What you see in the kitchen, this is the actual deliverables or yung inclusions upon turnover ng unit.